Hey Toby, how was the match?
It was awesome. We played like a team today and we won.
Fantastic. So are you also teaming up with cloud computing team?
Yes, I am doing some research in this area as after retirement I will become cloud computing expert.
Great. So in layman terms, what is cloud computing?
In computer science, cloud computing is a marketing term. In the case of electricity, users can simply use it. They do not need to worry where the electricity is from, how it is generated or transported. At the end of the month, they will get a bill for the amount of electricity they consumed. The idea behind cloud computing is similar. The user can simply use storage, computing power, or specially crafted development environments without having to worry how these work. Internally, cloud computing is a systems architecture model for internet-based computing. It is the development and use of computer technology on the internet. The cloud is a metaphor for the internet based on how the internet is described in computer network diagrams, which means it is an abstraction hiding the complex infrastructure of the internet. It is a style of computing in which related capabilities are provided as a service, allowing users to access technology-enabled services from the internet in the cloud, free without knowledge of or control over the technologies behind these servers. Cloud computing is a general concept that utilizes software as a service, SaaS, such as Web 2.0 and other technology trends, all of which depend on the internet for satisfying users' needs. For example, Google Apps provides common business applications online that are accessed from a web browser, while the software and data are stored on the internet servers.
This is a very good knowledge sharing. So who are the major providers of cloud computing?
Cloud computing is being driven by providers including Google, Amazon.com, and Yahoo, as well as traditional vendors including IBM, Intel, Microsoft and SAP. It is adopted from individual users through large enterprises as General Electric.
Okay, wonderful. So you want to share some more information with your fans?
Cloud computing comes into focus only when you think about what it always needs: a way to increase capacity or app capabilities on the fly without investing in new infrastructure, training new personnel, or licensing new software. Cloud computing encompasses any subscription-based or pay-per-use service that, in real time over the internet, extends its existing capabilities. Cloud computing is at an early stage, with a motley crew of providers large and small, delivering a slew of cloud-based services, from full-blown applications to storage services. Spam filtering. Yes, utility-style infrastructure providers are part of the mix, but so are SaaS, software as a service, providers such as Salesforce.com. Today, for the most part, it must plug into cloud-based services individually, but cloud computing aggregators and integrators are already emerging.
Really? It seems you are superstar in both basketball as well as cloud computing.
Yeah, cloud computing is very interesting upcoming technology, and it has a lot of features like SaaS, utility computing, web services in the cloud, platform as a service, MSP, managed service providers, service commerce platforms and internet integration.
Thank you so much, Toby. You are the best.